Hello everybody, this is a Lamley unboxing. Hot Wheels US 2593, L2593 means US G case. Pretty sure it's a G case, that's what this one tells me. This one came from Mattel, directly from Mattel, so we're going to open this up. It came all the way from the design center, that's why I had to cross out the label here. And we're going to go ahead and open it up. I already opened up the H case, so we're a little, we open them as we get them. And so this will help me know when I was opening up the H which one is new to the G and which one is new to the H. But who cares? Let's just get these opened up, see what is inside. I have the G case super to the side in case we don't get it here, which I don't imagine we will. It's a very rare occasion to get that. But let's go ahead and start. And we have a Dragon Wagon in blue, a Rally Special, and the Corvette Grand Sport Roadster in white. This is a recolor. I don't know if this is, but this definitely is. That's a new casting for 2023. All right, let's keep going. Love this Ford Ranchero, 72 Ford Ranchero in the Art Cars livery. It's a cool casting. Oh, look, Batmobile. And there is the Trek Manga. I believe that's also new to this case as well. Baja Bison T5, that is a new casting for 2023. There is the Stingray convertible. That was new in the last case. And there's that beautiful Audi 90 Quattro, one of the big stars of this year. Also holdover from the last case. Hopefully we get multiples of this one. It's always good to see. Am I getting any highlights so far? I don't see any highlights. I always like to put those aside. All right. Recolor of the Pagani Huayra Roadster in blue. There is the Ducati Desert X. Is that new? Yep, that's new for this year. And then look, get the Beatles Yellow Submarine. We've gotten a few of those. One's been a treasure hunt at one point. Go ahead and put that off to the side. Desert Drifter. I think that's new for 2023. Wasn't it in green before, if I remember correctly? Roadster Bite and the Fiat 500e. That one looks nice. Don't think I've seen the treasure hunt. You guys can holler at me if I get it. 1998 Jeep Wagoneer in black. We've seen that one. We've also seen this one, the 70s van in black. Also been a Zamek, also been in white. There's the Dodge Viper RT10. We're going to be seeing, that has the 3 spokes on it, which is nice, but we're going to see a new version, hardtop version of that casting coming very soon. All right, Porsche Taycan Turbo S. We've seen that one in green. We've also seen the Honda CRX in gray, and there is the Honda CB750 Cafe. That's very cool, new for this year. I will not add it to the Lamley Awards though, because I don't add the motorcycles. I'll let someone else do that. All right, Surfin' School Bus. There is the Renault Sports RS01. In the last case it was the Super, and there is the Dodge Challenger SRT Demon in blue. Still haven't seen a highlight yet. We'll see. I mean, well, this is a highlight. Always a highlight. Holdover from the last case. You know, the Audi is that 3 cases in a row for the Audi? Maybe it is. I don't know. Mercedes-Benz, and same thing with the Stingray convertible and the Mazda Repu. I mean, those are highlights, but we've already seen them in previous cases, so we'll let them sit. All right. Subaru WRX STI in white. That's a recolor. Super Silhouette in gold. Have we seen this one yet? I know I've shown this car, so I don't know if we've seen it yet, but I'll put it in the highlight pile. And there is the Corvette Gas Monkey Garage. Now, I believe this is new to the G case, so that means if it looked like this top one, that would be the Super Treasure Hunt. It doesn't. Wheels look very different. I really like the 5-spoke wheels on that with the red rims. There are obviously the THs on the back. Looks like if you were looking in that case, it would be pretty easy to tell if you had a Super or not. That Spectre Flame really does push through there. So that is the Super. I'll put this in the highlight pile for sure. Honda Civic Custom, we're going to see that recolored in orange very soon. Nissan Patrol, that's a recolor. And then the Rise and Climb. And then we'll finish off this case, or this side, with the Baja Bison again. Oh, look, a Batmobile. Recolor of that one. And then the Nissan Patrol again. All right. This is ripped. Doesn't matter. Let's see what else we've got. Let's see if we have some highlights in this side of the case, because not a ton so far. Mustang NHRA Funny Car, that's a cool casting. There, well, look, a Batmobile. There's another Mercedes. So nice to see 2 of those in the case. More the merrier with that casting. All right, is that a recolor? I mean, it is a recolor. Is that fresh to this case? I don't think it is. Trat Manga, and the 2023 Nissan Z. I think that is a recolor that we've seen before too. I maybe don't know how to pick out the highlights because I'm so confused having already done the H case. WRX STI for that one. Highway Hauler, that one looks nice. And then another Stingray Corvette. A lot of great stuff in this case. It's just, you know, holdovers from others as well. So Pagani Huayra, there is the Porsche 911 Carrera RS 2.7. Such a great model. But we've already seen that one. And the Bricking Trails. Have we seen the Treasure Hunt yet? Don't know if we have. Okay, let's keep going. Porsche 911, 1971. That looks great. Desert Drifter again. Oh, look, Batmobile. Seen that one. We haven't seen that one, but we've seen that one. But we've already seen that one in another case. Another Silvia, which looks great. Solar Reflex. There's a recolor of the Bentley Continental. That might be a highlight of this case. I'll put it over here. Oh, wait, wrong one. There it is. And then the Solar Reflex, already see it, the Mustang NHRA funny car. Honda Civic Custom again. Oh, look, a Batmobile. And then the Tesla Model Y. Dragon Wagon, Porsche 911, Baja Hauler. Dodge Viper, Eruption. There's a 2017 Camaro ZL1 in yellow. Ford Escort, recolor again. Demachini Veloci, Nova Wagon. And we finish off with the Gotta Go. Oh, look, a Batmobile. And the Honda CB750 Cafe. That, my friends, is one heck of a boring case. Would you agree with me? Not boring in the fact that there's some great repeats of colors from the previous cases, the Porsche, the Audi, the Mercedes-Benz, the Honda. But as good as those cases, the last two cases were, this G case, and I think the H case wasn't terribly spectacular either. They're okay. There's some decent models in here. I would say the highlights, well, I mean, there's got to be more than that, right? But maybe not. Good stuff in there, but nothing really fresh. Now, this Super, I mean, and no one's going to complain if they find that, right? But I wouldn't say this is the best Super. It's well executed. Not totally my cup of tea. Some of you will really like that one. The next Super for the H case, it's Golf, which is exciting, but it's not licensed. So that will be kind of a hit and miss for some. But the thunder is rolling. You can hear it in the distance because when the J case comes, a monster lurks. This will be one heck of a Super. Mattel sent it to me for when I do the J case, but I figured, you know, since that was a boring case, I'll show you something exciting. And I know you guys have all seen this one, but I know that one leaked, but what a cool casting. We'll get more into it once we get the actual version of it. See what we pull from the J case whenever that comes, next few weeks or months or whatever. But we have to hold out on the J and the H, and then we get the G and the H, and then we get the J. That will be amazing. You guys tell me what you think about this case. Bleh. Cool stuff in it, but bleh. But ultimately, you walk into a store and it's there, and that Corvette's in there, or the Mercedes, well, you won't complain. Thanks, everybody. Bye.